to turn off grammar suggestions on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off grammar suggestions on your Gmail easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail, go here, click on settings, click on see all settings, and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you find the grammar option right here, as you can see, and click on grammar suggestions off. Click on it like this, and now everything will be done. All what you have to do is scroll down again and click save changes right here. Very easy and fast. Please, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.